If you can see anything, it's my heat pad, so just ignore that. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you a Baby Boo fashion haul. I have had all this stuff for a very long time now, probably coming up to a year for most of it. So what I wanted to do was get like different styles and stuff so that I could show you. So I've done that over like a period of a year and a half, and I now have a good collection, I think, that I can show you guys, because I feel like for someone that's like my size, which is a size 8, and have very long legs and still like a roundish bum, even though it's really not that round, but it's like I've got bigger hips, if that makes sense, and a tiny waist. These jeans are pretty much like perfect for me and my height and my legs and my waist and my bum and things like that. Like, these jeans are a perfect fit for me and my body style. I definitely wouldn't recommend them to my short friends because they would be way too long on them. Like, I can still have room like where it scrunches at the bottom to fold up, so if I can fold them, my friends would be folding them for ages. So definitely for the taller girls, they are a hit. There is a couple pairs of pants that are still short, on the shorter side, so they could get away with getting them, but pretty much they're perfectly fitted for me. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'll show you these pair first. These are my favourite pair. They are, I don't know if they have it in what style they are. Okay, it says style BBF863, so if that means anything to you. I did get these in a size Australia 8, US 4. So there are these light blue, very high-waisted jeans with a rip in the bottom, in the rip in the knees, so they're the same in both knee. These ones are super long and super stretchy, like they're so comfy, it's not even like you're wearing jeans. So I love these ones so much. These are the super long ones, so I like to wear them both ways. I like to wear them scrunched and I like to wear them rolled up. So either way it works for me. So I like these. Okay, I thought this way would be easier to show you guys just because they're pants. So as you can see, these ones are super high-waisted. The knees are cut, and as you can see, they're really long, so they fit like perfectly on me. There's no anything like hanging over, they just fit perfectly, and they make your booty look good too. So I love these ones. These next ones are in style BBF803. Again, I got an Australian size 8 and a US size 4. Sorry, I'm wearing pajama bottoms too. Ignore that. And these are just black ones. You're not really going to be able to see right now until I put them on, but they've got a big rip on one side and they've got little rips all over the top and bottoms. These ones are a little bit on the shorter side, but they pretty much sit like perfectly at my ankle length, so I don't really have any issues with that. As you can see, these ones are definitely not as high-waisted. As you can see my belly. Sorry, my belly is getting bloated now. But these ones I really love as well. Like, I wore these to a festival and they were perfect. I just wore like fishnets under it so you could see it through this hole. And I really liked how they looked. Sorry if I sound puffed, I haven't really done this much in a long time. So putting clothes on is an effort, but I do really like these. I think they're really cute and stylish and I love all the detailing on them. So these next ones are in style BBF88, and again size 8, Australia 8, US 4, and they're just like a more darker blue. There's no rips or anything, they're just a normal pair of jeans, because as you go to your family gatherings you need a normal pair of jeans so that no one talks bad about your pants because they got holes in them. So these are really comfy again, they're very stretchy. The black ones before that I just showed you aren't as stretchy as what these two first blue ones have been. So I don't know if it's like different jean materials that they're using, but they're not as stretchy. So these ones literally look like they're painted on your body, like they're so skin tight, but they are super comfy. Again, they make your booty look good, but they are just so skinny, but I really like that look. And also I really like to roll these ones up. I haven't at the moment because I thought I'd show you guys the actual length, but I usually roll these up. So yay, I like these. These next ones I got so I could wear them at work, and they don't have a tag to say what style they're in, but they're in a size Australian 8 again. So they're just a simple black pair of jeans, and they've been sitting on makeup. These are stretchy, so again these are comfy. They're not as high-waisted as the others. And they are a bit shorter than the others, but I also don't mind having a little bit shorter for my work pants because I feel like it suits when I can wear boots, or it suits when I wear like flats and things like that. So I don't have an issue with the thing, but again they are stretchy, so they're comfy. They're nice and comfy for work pants. I can tell these are my work jeans because I just found a piece of paper in it. Okay, so these are the jeans that I wear for work. As you can tell, they are quite a bit shorter than all the other pants. They're still really nice, but you know what I mean, like how I like this length for flats, and you can wear like sand shoes or you can wear boots that are just a little bit higher than it. So I do like these. They are super comfy. They're probably the smallest fitting out of all of the others, but they still feel really nice and stretchy. This last pair of jeans is the same as the black ones with all the rips. So as you can see in this one, there is big rips. This one just has 2 big rips on both legs, whereas the black one I think just had it on 1. And this is styled, doesn't say either. But this one says in size small. So, and again they fit exactly the same as all the size 8s. So I really do like these. These are definitely on the shorter side. I don't really like how they cut off at the ankle because it kind of like, so they kind of like cut off at the ankle. Not very good. Do you need a good John, come here? Look at Cookie. Hi my baby. Hi my baby. She's like, I'm so excited. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm excited. Okay, so these, as you can see, are like awkwardly cut off. Like, they're such an awkward length, but I love all this detailing and still the way that they fit. So I'm like not complaining too much. And they still make your butt look good. So I do really like these as well. I just hate how they're cut off at the ankles. Like, it's just not flattering at all. Okay, so I have 2 other things that I'm going to show you. One is a top and one is a set. Both of these I don't really wear because I'll explain with the top. Sorry, this keeps falling down. It's been frustrating. So with this red top, it is so stunning. Like, it is so pretty. I don't know what style. I don't know what style it is. But I got it in a size small, so it is just a wrap top with sleeves. And this is honestly stunning. Like, this is so pretty, but it like falls off my boobs because of the material. And I know you can get like tape and stuff, but I really don't think that'll help my situation. Like, it's just, I'd be very daring to go out in this because it would most likely fall down. And I don't want anybody seeing my boobs. They're for me. But this is so pretty. Like, it is such a pretty top. Even just to take photos in, it looks really nice. So, I don't know. I might make it work somehow, hopefully. I don't know. But it's way too late to send it back. Okay, so this is the red top. As you can see, look how pretty it is. Like, it is stunning. It is such a pretty top. And the arms are so nice, like this kind of like, they make your arms like elongated. I don't know, I just find it so pretty, and even with these black pants, like it just looks so nice together. But even putting it on then, I'm struggling to keep it up right now because it keeps like flipping over. So I don't know if you guys have any tips or anything that I could actually wear this top, because I find it so cute. But yeah, it's hard. It's very hard. I don't know what to do. And then this is a similar style set. So there's black high-waisted leggings, which I will for sure keep because they're quite thick too. I really don't think you'll be able to see any panties or anything through them. They're really long, they're thick, and they're super high-waisted. So I'm definitely keeping these. But they came with this little wrap butter top as well, which as a set it looks super cute again, but my boobs, I think it's just my boobs, I don't know, but it just doesn't work. It doesn't work for my boobs. I want it to because it looks really cute on and it looks really cute in photos, but I just don't think I'd be able to go out in public with it because I think I'd be too scared. So okay, so this is the set. Love the pants. Would love the top, but again the top is just like, you can see my under boob and stuff. I feel like it'd be perfect for someone with actually no boobs, but it's still really cute. Like, it's so adorable, but I'm just not brave enough to wear it out. So I don't know, any helpers, like tips or anything, let me know, because I would love to be able to wear this out with some heels because I think it is so pretty, especially if I was tanned. So help me out, please. I got lipstick all down my face. That's great. I don't know when it got there. If you like the makeup that I have on, I've also done a video for it. So I will also link it there below so that you guys can see the video, or I think it's called like Easter inspired makeup, something like that. It's an Easter one. So if you would like to see how I've done that, then there is a video on it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!